so we have our stock exhaust out. Enough of that, let's get to the good stuff. We got the brand new Kooks exhaust for the Charger, full stainless steel. We'll start at the front with the green cats. Use those on all our builds. Work our way back straight through it. Beautiful piece. Fit and finish on this exhaust is amazing. You can't beat it. We trust Kooks for all our exhaust needs. They've been doing this since the 60s, and they're made in America, so it doesn't get any better than that. So let's get in the car and get to it. All right, it's finally actually ready to fire up. So we're gonna fire it up, Kooks system, all in here. Full headers back, and these awesome black tips. Awesome black tips.
I guess you could say we're about to get cooking.
Yeah, so this particular cam that LME went with is a 238, 254, 610 lift, 597 on exhaust, a 116 lobe separation, 4 degrees advance with a 112 center line. It's gonna chop. It's the mother of cam.